YouTube. We're here for our second part of the video. Tell them what we're going to do.
Today we're going to be removing the fuel rails and injectors, so let's get it done. To start, you're going to want to take your hose disconnect tool and put it on this fitting and pop the hose off.
We already had our hose removed previously, so you will have fuel coming out of this and it will be under pressure, so make sure you have a rag handy.
Next, we are going to remove the 6 electrical clips. After all the electrical clips are out, you're going to want to remove these 4 8mm bolts.
Hold it handy to me.
Be very careful. This one I'm doing it by hand.
Move to the next one, I got this one.
Okay. Excuse me.
Move that back in there.
This thing's long.
That's good. You should take that by hand.
Don't forget we have one more.
I got it.
After the 4 8mm bolts are out, you're going to remove the fuel rail. Next, we're going to remove the clip and pull the injector. Process to reinstall.
You would take your WD-40 and spray the O-ring, a little bit on the O-ring on the rail side of the injector. Makes it go in a lot easier. Keep your clip on the outside of the rail. If you notice, there's a little groove. You take your little metal clip and just snap it on. Guys, this concludes our video for the day.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you drop a like below and hit that subscribe button. Check down below for some step-by-step instructions and check with our sponsors for some cool merch.